12 camping gadgets you can buy on Amazon. When it comes to outdoor excursions, you should pack light without sacrificing the survival gear, comforts, and camping devices that will make your trip enjoyable and crisis-free. And we have certain products in mind. The gear you bring determines whether you have a good day camping or a bad night in the woods. It's also critical that you have robust clothing that can withstand any situations you may encounter. Today, we're going into the realm of camping devices, specifically those available on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just getting started, these 12 gadgets are sure to elevate your camping experience. Number 1. GoSungo Solar Oven Portable Stove. The GoSungo is the company's most portable solar oven stove, and it's ideal for cooking a dinner for one. It can cook most meals and boil water for dried food, hot drinks in 20-30 minutes, and holds up to 13.5 ounces of food or fluids. This is roughly equal to half a squash. While it may not seem like much, it is usually enough for a full lunch for one. Another thing to notice is that the food is incredibly good. It does not become soggy or mushy, but instead remains crisp and delicious. While we won't admit to knowing exactly how the technology works, GoSun claims that it works by directing sunlight onto the parabolic reflectors on the tube oven, which then heats the cooking chamber. Number 2. Camping Spice Jar Storage. Cooking when camping does not have to imply no condiments. Try saying it 10 times quickly. The jars are made of BPA-free PP, and while they keep your spices and condiments fresh, they are a bit flimsy. With that stated, if you consider yourself a bit of a camp chef, you must acquire this spice container set. Number 3. BioLite Camp Stove. 2. Less strange and more ingenious. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 converts waste heat from wood burning into electricity to charge or power your USB gadgets. With its additional components, such as the kettle pot, coffee press kettle pot adapter, or portable grill, you can cook meals, boil water, and charge your electronics all at once. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 has an inbuilt fan that produces up to 95% less smoke than a regular wood fire. The fan also makes the wood burn hotter and faster, allowing you to cook or boil water in only a few minutes. Number 4. Udap Bear Shock Fence. Udap is a renowned maker of bear defense devices, sprays, food canisters, and even an electric shock fence for bears. If you're traveling somewhere where bears might be present, an electric shock fence is one of the most powerful and calming deterrents you can buy. This Udap Bear Electric Shock Fence is the lightest option in their series, light enough to carry when traveling, but large enough to enclose a decent-sized campsite. A 27x27 enclosure may accommodate about 2 or 3 two-person tents. Number 5. Kebab Tactical Spork. The Kebab Tactical Spork is an excellent tool for transporting your full cutlery drawer when camping. The spork can be used as a spoon or fork, much like a regular spork, but it can also be separated in half to reveal a serrated knife. Despite its plastic construction, the knife is durable and sharp. In fact, it is so strong that it can be used for self-defense if necessary. Number 6. Easy Kebab Maker. Nothing says camping like a campfire barbecue. And with this simple kebab maker, you can easily add shish kebabs, or hot dogs, corn dogs, gyro meat, and much more to your menu. Heavy-duty, BPA-free plastic. Like you, we enjoy cooking, grilling, charbroiling, and barbecuing. That's why our food-grade plastic is not only safer for your meats, spices, and vegetables, but it's also dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. The kebab maker is quite simple to use. Simply slide a skewer through the top, place your meat in the bottom, and push the sections together. Your kebab will then begin to emerge from the top attached to your skewer. Number 7. Basso E-Alarm Plus with Tripwire Hook. The Basso E-Alarm Plus is a must-have for almost every camper. There isn't anyone who would not profit from having one in their arsenal. Aside from its obvious advantages when used as a personal alarm, its tripwire capabilities take it to a whole new level. With 1 or 2 E-alarms, you can simply create a perimeter around your tent to deter scare burglars or animals, as well as secure an object outside your tent, such as a kayak. The E-alarm comes with everything you need except the tripwire. However, if you want something more visible, ideal for deterring animals, you can get this fishing wire or this paracord for a low price on Amazon. Number 8. Luminate Solar Inflatable Lantern. If you're looking for an LED camping lantern with stunning atmospheric lighting and a slew of other fascinating features, look no further than the Luminate solar lantern. The Luminate lanterns are available with or without a USB connector for charging external devices. However, they may all be charged using USB. The lantern includes an LED battery indicator so you can readily see how much juice is left. Recharging takes roughly 10 hours when charged in sunlight and 1 to 2 hours when charged via USB, cable included. Other useful features include a snap-on off handle for hanging from a loop in your tent or attaching to your backpack to charge during the day when hiking or out and about. Number 9. Sleeping pad. Who says sleeping outside is uncomfortable? The ultralight PowerLick sleeping pad is waterproof and comes with a storage bag, 2 repair kits, and a multi-purpose inflatable bag. It does not require an air pump to inflate, and when not in use, the mat folds down tightly to fit in your weekend bag. This camping sleeping pad packs light, self-inflates in a matter of seconds, and rolls up into a convenient carrying bag that's easy to transport. You will also find it to be fairly resilient, especially on gravel-packed tent pads. However, if it does spring a leak, it comes with a patch kit so you don't have to sleep on the ground. Number 10. Trash can. This spring-loaded reusable trash can allows you to gather your garbage in a convenient manner while contributing to the cleanliness of those campgrounds. It is a convenient way to dispose of litter because it can handle garbage bags that are 30 gallons in capacity. When not in use, it can be folded up into a flat shape and stored in your garage or camping gear because it is made of heavy-duty polyethylene and has a zipper on the top. Number 11. Water filter. If you tend to go on more hardcore camping trips, the Life Straw is a useful camping gadget. The straw can filter up to 1,000 gallons of water, which is essential if you're camping somewhere without access to safe drinking water. It removes up to 99.99999% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa that can cause sickness. Purchase this lightweight, user-friendly accessory for your next vacation. Number 12. Wool blanket. The natural insulating properties of wool, which include the ability to trap air among its strands, come in helpful while going on cold camping trips. Because this wool blanket, which comes in 8 different colors, is composed of 90% wool and 10% synthetic fibers, you are guaranteed to be a great deal warmer than you would be if you did not have it. It is also machine washable, making it simple to clean up after you get back to your house. So these were 12 incredible camping gadgets you can buy on Amazon to take your outdoor adventures to the next level. If you liked this video, subscribe and share.